Do you like working with tools and making and fixing practical things? Do you have an attention to detail and good hand-eye coordination? A career as a welder may be in your future. You can learn to properly apply heat to metal pieces, melting and fusing them to form a permanent bond. Because of its strength, learn a skill used in shipbuilding, automobile manufacturing and repair, and thousands of other manufacturing activities. You will learn to interpret plans, drawings, and code specifications. Because of the importance and versatility of welding as a manufacturing process, the need for skilled welders is staggering. Our welders learn that the best bondings remain unbroken.